Yo, what's up guys, my name is Eric, and on today's video, I'm going to be doing an audio test of the Technical Pro MRS5 studio monitor speakers, which are right behind me. So I've actually made a review of these studio monitors a little bit ago, but since then I've gotten a few messages asking if I can make a video of actually demonstrating the sound quality. So I finally decided to actually do that, and in this video I'm going to show you the sound quality of these speakers. First, realize that the sound quality from these speakers then going to the microphone will not be 100% accurate, but since I do have a good microphone, it won't be that bad. I also will be playing actual music, so I'm going to have to keep the clips short so I do not fall into copyright problems. Anyway, let's get started. Till the car caught on fire, we had to laugh as this city so pretty and the moonlit skies will be hanging like a cigarette, so stunning. Start running tonight's like a knife. Won't you cut me with your kiss? Red lips, you're unbelievable. Can't miss this chance to take you out. Here's my invitation. So I hope you understand now why I hate this sound system. The sound just isn't accurate, the bass, and as all the audio is mostly muffled. When I watched a movie on these, I found that the highs were cracking, and the lows, aka the bass, just gets all distorted. You have to also realize that I am used to a better sound system. I have two sound systems that I use behind me. The Logitech 5.1 speaker sound system, which I unboxed a little bit ago. I still have to do a review on it. And also the Altec Lansing Octane 7 speakers, which I did do a review of, which they weren't too great, but they weren't that bad at all. And all hooked up together, they sound actually a lot better. Yeah, I win, at least compared to those speakers. Anyway guys, that is the video for today. Please leave all your feedback down below. Also hit the like button and subscribe down below. Anyway though guys, my name is Eric and I'm signing out.